race now. If you've never seen a boxer engine, this is how the boxer engine looks like. I've shown you guys this from the start. The car sounds amazing. 2 HKS systems at the back. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another vlog. So welcome back with the normal consistent posting. Before I even start with the video, someone said I'll comment in my previous vlog here. Oh my god, come on, a stammer. I didn't notice until now. Yeah, I do stammer. My brother, I do stammer. I'm a stammerer. I am a proud stammerer. You feel me? Sometimes nakuanga anxious. I get overwhelmed, especially when I'm around things that I like. Mostly magari. I feel like, you know, that adrenaline in your body makes me kind of stammer. So yeah, kama uko unajua that I stammer, I do fucking stammer. For all the stammerers out there, yeah, let's go stammerers. Let's stammer. Yeah, so kustammer si kitu yenye unaamka asubuhi ni like today I won't stammer. That's something I was born with it. I just can't control myself. It's a good thing, also a bad thing. You feel me? Kama sio hiyo singekuwa hapa. You feel me? Like the stammering makes me who I am. And yeah, kitambo I used to be insecure about it, but saizi I'm not, unless there's someone who actually makes fun of me, like na stammer for like bro, like you can't be 34 na unafanya tutoka hiyo. Kwanza huyu jamaa, I fucking hate him, man. Anyway, yeah, I feel like that's it, man. Like kustammer si kitu yenye I can control myself. Cause that saizi I can talk like in full, like, and you know, I can talk bila kustammer. Bro, when I was young, I was to DJ, and like I couldn't even like get my sentences off right. It was crazy, but thank God to my mom's prayers, my prayers too. You feel me? Tuko hapa hivi, we are still. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna nikitaka kuongelea. Why am I even talking about like what? Anyway, guys, what the fuck? Anyway, today we are gonna be seeing how an engine, like a boxer engine, a Subaru engines. Remember, Subaru have boxer engines, the flat engines. They're not like your normal Honda engines. They're not inline fours. They're not V's. They're not W's. They are flat like this. So the pistons zinachapa hivi. Most engines zinachapa hivi. The V's zinachapa hivi. Inlines zinachapa hivi. But boxers, pistons ziko on this side at an angle of 90 degrees. So that's gonna be basically the hell of the video. We are gonna see that Subaru. It's I won't really like siezi waambia na kaje, but it's a very very like no like it's a Subaru SH ECSG or myself, whatever Subaru that you're gonna call it. But today we have an SH finally on the channel. It was supposed to come on the vlog like later this week, but anaenda Arusha, so that won't be possible for today. So let me have breakfast and then I head out. And yeah, and also by the way, with the Namanga vlog, guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't get a lot of footage. Nilifika mahali kichwa ikaanza kuniuma juu ya jua, cause we were in Kajiado and it was like so sunny, so kichwa ikaniuma, plus my stomach was having some issues, so nikalala. I didn't film a lot of the videos that are a lot of the content I was supposed to film, but we went there, came back, it was nice. Niliamka jioni kama narudi and stuff like that, but it was overall a fun day. Hopefully that video has done a lot of views, because I bado sijai post, but yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys next video. Peace out, love you guys. So guys, I'm back, nishafika hapa hivi, and behind me kuna SG9 STI, so stay tuned for that vlog. Bado sija upload, but niko nayo kwa simu, that's coming very very soon. Tena kuna Navara hapa nyuma with a turbo. Yeah, it's a built Navara, so hiyo mniambie kama mtaka kuiona, but we are here for that car over there yenye it's being built saizi. So let's go ahead and check it out, vile wanafanya and everything like that. After that, that's when you're going to basically like they're building the car from scratch, like engine iko torn apart and everything. So once that is done, but bro, hiyo ni SG9, imagine ni SG9. Hata sijamini. Anyway, let me flip the camera and then taonyesha how the car looks like. Yeah, if you watched the other vlog, I think mnakumbuka hii gari, this car was there on the stereos. I won't really like talk much about it saizi, but what we are interested in hapa hivi for now is the engine rebuild. That's the main maker hapa hivi, the one who basically makes everything done with his slaves. Slave is crazy. Anyway, yeah, so as of right now, if you've never seen a boxer engine. This is how the boxer engine looks like. Those are pistons, hizo ni camshafts, hizo ni gaskets. That is a hii hapa. Oh yeah, the head ya kushikilia nini? Camshafts. Yeah. Gasket. So hii ni block yote. So once everything is done, I'll do a time lapse of everything. Oh, I didn't show you guys. So even your head inafanana. These are valves. The one that's intake valves and exhaust valves zinaingiza hewa na kutoa exhaust nje. So this basically how an engine looks like, but hii gari currently haina block, haina engine, ndio engine yake hapa sasa. So I'll do like a time lapse of how it's being built, and then ikisha startiwa because it's started today, like literally it's a one-day job. So yeah. Hijo, hii nini umeshika? Huyu ni piston. Anyway, saizi they're about to put in the pistons. That's how the cylinders look like. That is 2. You need 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4. So like where's the mistake like pistons? They have to be the same order vile ulitoa so that you don't really mess. Unaweza by the way? Mali ilikuwa, yeah. So yeah, that's the reason as to why you can't do that. So vile nasemanga semi closed na closed deck uanga na mashanini na express na block. Hiyo ni open deck. Yes, ni open deck. Sasa yenye semi closed iko ni complete, imeweza shimo kidogo za maji. But unaweza nini kama hii gasket. Oh, hivyo. Sasa naona ukiekelea hii hapa. There's no space. Hapo. Maybe is also supposed to do that. Yeah, ni fully closed. Unaonanga hizi shimo hiyo ndio closed. Open ni hivyo. Semi closed iko na extra groove, iko na hii na hii. Iko na nyingine hapa. So yeah, that's the difference between a semi closed open deck and a closed deck. Kama uko unajua, saizi umejua. That's a ring squeezer. You just can't put the pistons hivyo ndani kabisa. You have to squeeze them so that hizo oils zinatoaje. Hizi hapa hivi they're called oil rings na sio vile ziko nje. So that's thing over there, just like squeeze them pamoja so that you don't mess up when you're putting in the nini. So with the power of DD oil, you use the nini hapa ndani to lubricate. So as of right now, all the pistons have been already like zishekwa ndani. The damage ya piston, that's why why they've changed, why they're changing ni hapo hivi. So unaona this place over here was cracked, literally litoka, and you don't want that to an engine or any piston. So right now washamaliza kuweka pistons, baki heads, and then after that they'll put it in the whip. So yeah, we're waiting on that one. Once they're done, I'll basically give you guys the whole process of how they are putting the heads and everything, the cams, kila kitu. So yeah. you guys can see, but we've been doing this work for almost the whole day. Hadi joy imeisha. So as of right now to make a pale light for tusaidie tuweke hapo hivyo the gearbox. But this is how the engine bay basically looks like. If I didn't show you guys the engine bay, akona down pipe. There's a down pipe with the heat trap on it. I think I gonna post, but we'll know. Then STI Stratbreeze, I think near SH9, I believe. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is the current setup. We are going to hoist the engine from pale hivyo tuweke hapo. Imagine it's at night, so you guys can tell ni usiku, but yeah, we are still working on this beast, literally into a beast. So yeah, let's go engine hoist and then we pick up from there. But kama umefika hapo hivi, make sure that you like the video, you feel me? After almost like, I don't know, 3 hours, engine is shaweko, as you can tell. It is connected with the gearbox already. So for tomorrow, that's when nitakuja asubuhi, we finalize with the wiring system, because the only thing that's remaining, kuna the air pump inakuanga somewhere around here, and you guys can tell it's not there. They have to like replace it. So after that is done, that's basically the only thing that's remaining. Gari itakuwa isha start, take it for test drive, and that's basically wrap up my experience in like seeing an EJ20, you know, assembly, from being like torn apart to literally the car static. So for tomorrow, that will be basically the vlog for tomorrow. So yeah,
the next day.
So guys, new day. Usiku we left off after like basically installing the turbo. As of right now, wameka wastegate. As you can tell, kuna wastegate pale. It's an Epman, I believe, 44mm wastegate. I know it sounds insane. We are going to test that out later on, but they were supposed to like change the turbo to a bigger one in V52, and it's the stock turbo TF35. If I'm not wrong, TF35 is the stock turbo that comes on this weight. But as of right now, we're supposed to change from this to this, but due to things that we can't really control, tekatui bado, kwa sababu he was supposed to like go for the car nilimwambia Arusha, but he can't go with the car with this bigger turbo na haina tune. It's basically like blow the whole block out, and that's not what we want. So we're still waiting on that one. It was the air pump. Air pump, you know. We are waiting on that thing over there.
Oh, ile stuff ya primary secondary air pump.
Secondary air pump. That's what we're waiting on. Once that has arrived, that's when we'll be able to fix everything. And yeah, after that, that's when we'll be able to like take the car for a test drive.
Hiyo kiu unaifinya finya, kuna mahali nakubali.
Guys, tushafika hapa and gari imestart basically. I've shown you guys this from the start. The car sounds amazing. 2 HKS systems at the back, sounds amazing. And yeah, go follow my boy Beast on IG, I believe. So yeah, man, I'll catch you boys up. That has been basically like the whole vlog from start, from the engine bay to hadi mahali imefika saizi, which is a good thing. Like, see, kama huku unajua magari, at least unajua a thing or two about the engine bay and stuff like that. So this marks the end of the vlog. Make sure that you do like it, make sure that you like that, like the video, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.